Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to introduce you to my son's favorite interactive toy. This is the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages puppy, and we have had this since he was born, and he loves it so much. One of my favorite parts is that it has 100 words and over 75 songs. He loves anything that sings. It gets him very excited. So I love when it's also teaching him something. Sometimes he just keeps pushing the button. I think he likes the sound of the clicking, but I love that it's not skipping or ruining it at all. It still works perfectly good. Also, we had a little bit of a waxident with some wax melts, but I was able to steam it right off, and there's just a little bit of staining, but it still works perfectly fine. We've been working on the ABCs lately, so I love that this sings the ABCs to him because he's getting so much better at them. Whether you have a baby or toddler of your own, or you're looking for the perfect gift, you have found it in this Fisher-Price puppy. But that's just my point of view.